Crazy little, sexy little cool.
Hey y'all, so let's jump right in. I'm starting off on like shrunken hair, and I'm basically spraying my hair down with my spray bottle because we're doing a low bun today and I need my hair to be wet to get my hair nice and sleek. Okay, so that's step number one. So moving right along, I'm just taking my wide tube comb, but then I decided to use my smaller red tail comb, and I'm just making a part down the middle of my head. I'm gonna start parting like at the front of my hair around the perimeter, like a medium section, and I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side of my head as well, but don't worry about that right now. Basically, we're just gonna do 2 flat twists there for like a little, you know, spiced up look for our little ponytail. I wanted to do something a little bit different, so yeah, that's basically what I'm doing there. I'm going to be using this black castor oil gel. I'm trying to get rid of it, so I'm just trying to use it up, and I'm just going to put the back section of my hair in a little ponytail. So yes, I am using a generous amount, and I'm just going to take my brush and slick my hair back. Where your hair is wet, it's really helpful, and it's easier to slick down your hair like that. I was doing a like talk through to show you guys how to slick down my hair, but it would have made the video too long. So let me know in the comments if you guys want me to do a more in-depth video on how to slick down your hair, and I can go through it step by step with you guys. But yeah, that's what I'm doing, and just using my hands to smooth my hair down. And then I'm going to take those little scrunchies, hair ties that I got from my local beauty supply store, and I'm going to put my hair into a bun. As you guys know, I have an undercut that I need to get cut, so just disregard it. And then I'm going to take the black Got2b glue gel, a pretty generous amount, and I'm going to lay that on top of the ponytail in the back and smooth it in with my hands, because this is going to ensure that my hair stays down. And then I'm just going to go ahead and apply my scarf, and I'm going to sleep with my hair like this overnight. So I will be using the BetterLength Kinky Curly Drawstring Ponytail that you guys saw me use in my last video with the bun. You guys really liked that style. So this is the ponytail. It is in 16 inches, and you know, everything about it will be linked in the description box below. So I'm going to be taking this bleach in 40 volume developer, mixing it together, and I'm going to put it all over the ponytail. I did wet down the ponytail before I did this. And yeah, so I'm just going to bleach the hair out, you know, to lighten it a bit, because we're going to be doing some color. And then I'm just taking my wide tooth comb, well, brush, excuse me, and I'm just brushing through the hair because this hair is really thick. So I'm just trying to make sure that the bleach actually penetrates the hair and the lips. So yeah, that's basically what I'm doing here. And I am going to keep the roots of the ponytail dark because obviously my hair is still dark. You use all of the bleach on the hair, and when you like brush through the hair, it kind of like makes like a highlight effect without you having to do all the extra work to get like the highlights. So you'll see some darker pieces and some lighter pieces, and as you guys can see, the hair is already starting to lighten up. So the bleach took really well to the hair. You guys are wondering, yes, the curl pattern will loosen up a bit because this is a chemical. I am applying bleach to the hair, but it didn't loosen up a whole lot, just a teeny bit. Okay guys, so you can bleach this hair and it will be okay. Alright, so once I rinsed it out, I just simply rinsed it out, and this is the color of it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and use this hair color on the hair to give it like a ginger effect. I'll put the hair color that I use in the description box below, but I really like this hair color because it has like argan oil and stuff on it, and it smells really good. So if you guys are wondering, the hair was a bit dry after I rinsed the bleach out of it, but yeah, I just went straight ahead and put the color on top. So like I told you guys, I'm going for like a ginger effect, and I did use the whole bottle just to ensure that the hair took really well, and I left the color on for an hour. Oh, and I only left the bleach on for 15 minutes previously, so you don't want to over process your hair. So this is how the hair looked once I rinsed it and conditioned it, and I'm just putting this leave-in conditioner on the hair because the hair was feeling a little bit dry, but the conditioner brought it right back to life. So yeah, it's good. And as you guys can see, the curl pattern changed just a teeny bit. And once I got done applying the leave-in conditioner, I went ahead and took a wide tooth comb and detangled the hair just to make sure it's not tangled or anything like that. I want to show you guys how much shedding I got with this. Excuse the paper towel, but yeah, that's about how much shedding I got, so not too bad. And then I'm just going to apply a little bit of this Eco Styler gel to it just to get it back defined, and then I'm going to let it dry on a towel upside down. I basically did like a wash and go on it, and this is how the ponytail looks. So you guys, you can dye this hair. Well, you can dye the ponytail just like you can the clip-in, straighten it, and do things like that to it, and it will still look really good. As you guys can see, it's still popping. So it's the next day, and I'm just refreshing my part, and then I'm just going to take this pink edge control and apply that to my edges, and then I'm going to put a flat twist on both sides, you know, of my head where I left the hair out at. You don't have to do flat twists. You can do a braid, or you know, do it however you want to, but I thought that this would look really, really cute, so that's what I'm going to do on both sides. I just took two bobby pins and I just pinned them in the back by the bun, like the ends of each twist, and the ponytail will cover them so you won't see them. I blow dry the ponytail a little bit, so this is what the color looks like once it's all dry. It's so pretty. It's a really cute ginger color. I really, really like it. So this is just how it turned out. Looks really good. The ends of the hair still look really good, and of course, as you guys know, it has two clips in the inside and then the drawstring, of course. So I'm just going to go ahead and apply it to my hair. Put the first clip in, put the clip in at the bottom, and pull the string. Y'all know how drawstrings go, but this is an advanced drawstring. You can do some of everything to it. Once I wrap the string around the ponytail, I'm just going to take a bobby pin and pin it into place like so. And then I'm just going to take some hair from the bottom of the ponytail to, you know, cover the top of the drawstring, because you do not want that to show. So I'm just going to simply wrap it around and then pin it into place, as you guys see me do here. I'm going to take my paddle brush and I'm going to make the ponytail a bit bigger and fluffier, and you can add extra bobby pins to your ponytail if you want to make it a little bit more secure. And I'm going to take some Oil Sheen and spray that on my hair, because gel can make your hair a bit dull. Alright, so here is the finished look. I think the color of the ponytail and the twist just make it look so cute. I really, really like it. So make sure you guys check out BetterLength.com. Everything about them will be linked in the description box below. Make sure you check them out on Instagram, and make sure you use my coupon code if you buy you a ponytail, girl. Okay, so I hope this video was helpful. I hope you all enjoyed it. Thanks for watching, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye.